Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name's Antony and in today's video I'm going to go over with you how much I earned from my first full month being monetized. Now I actually got monetized towards the end of January 2021 and in this video I'm just going to share with you my analytics and my whole month's earnings for February. Now obviously February is quite a short month with only 28 days, so the earnings that I've earned this month might be slightly less than what I would earn in a month with 31 days, but I could not wait to jump on and share this with you. But before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help my channel to grow, especially that like button. You have no idea how much it helps promote my video and boost it within the YouTube's algorithm. Please also leave a comment. I like to chat to you guys and get to know you a little bit better and build this fashion community up. Alright, okay, let's just get started. So the first thing to know about how to earn money on YouTube and how much you can earn on YouTube is it's all dependent on the kind of videos that you post, and it all depends on the day-to-day amount of views that you get, and every day it goes up and down. It's not a generic amount that you can earn with a certain amount of subscribers or a certain amount of watch time. It all depends day to day. To earn money on YouTube, you have to hit certain criteria. Now I have gone over this in a previous video, but let's just go through it quickly. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in a 365-day period. And if you don't make that 4,000 watch hours in the first 365 days, don't worry, it shifts and carries on. So you will always have a chance to make that 4,000. When you hit it, then you can apply for the partner program. Now, applying for the partner program can take people weeks or even months, but I actually was really lucky to get monetized in a 24-hour period. So very, very lucky. If you want to go and see a video about how I got monetized in 24 hours and how much I made on my first day, click here and go and watch that video. But this is about how much I earned in 1 month. Okay, so I'm just going to jump on my computer really quickly and show you some of the analytics. So here we go. So as you can see, this is my month of February. It's currently the 2nd of March and I have a total of 2,302 subscribers. Yay! Thank you so much for subscribing. As you can see, for all of February, I got 14,489 views total, which is an amazing sort of amount of views, but it's not the most amount of views that I got total. But in January, I actually got 15,723. But don't forget, January is a longer month. We had 31 days, and in February, it was just 28 days. So I reckon if I would have had them extra 3 days, I probably would have hit the same, if not a little bit more. So total watch time for February was 564.6, and again, that's not the highest month that I've done, whereas in January I did 576. But the most exciting thing is the amount of subscribers that I actually gained. Now currently I'm on 2,302, which is a massive achievement. I think by the end of this year I would have loved to have got to 5,000 subscribers, but so far it looks like I may beat that target, but I don't know, fingers crossed at the moment. But in February, I gained a whopping 271 subscribers. That is nearly 10 subscribers a day, so I'm really, really ecstatic with that. And that is the most subscribers I've ever gained in a month compared to January when I gained 246 subscribers. And now on to the bit that you've all been waiting for. How much did I actually earn in my first full month? Well, I earned £41.34, which I actually think is really good. It's a lot more than I originally thought. I was hoping for at least £1 a day, and I've kind of beat that target. Yeah, £41.34. I'm really, really happy with that. And if I actually go on my revenue tab at the top, it breaks it down a little bit more where you can see how much I was earning a day. So on my lowest day I earned 74 pence, but on my best day I earned around £2.17, which is a really, really good amount. My average RPM, which stands for revenue per milli, which means how much I earn per 1,000 views, is around £2.85, which is a good amount. And my CPM, which is cost per milli, that's how much YouTube gets per 1,000, is £6.69. So that's a really good amount. So obviously YouTube is taking just over 50%, which I wish I was getting over 50%, but wherever this is YouTube's platform and I'm happy to get any money whatsoever that might be. But yeah, overall, I'm really happy with how much I earned this month. It's more than I actually expected to earn. As I said, I was hoping for around £1 a day, so if I would have ended the month on around £30, I would have been ecstatic on that. But obviously ending it at £41.34 is above and beyond where I actually hoped for. Hopefully next month I can make more than the £41. In Britain, you have to earn at least £60 to actually get paid out by YouTube. So obviously I've got this £41 and last month I earned around £10. So I'm at the about £51 mark. So in April I will get paid from YouTube, but I'm hoping that after March is over, I'm earning at least enough to cash out every month, which would be really good. And I'm hoping as it goes through 2021, it continues to grow and grow and grow, but fingers crossed, we will see. I think over the next few months, what I'm gonna do is track all of this and see how it does, see how much I earn, see how many subscribers I get, see how many views I'm getting and all of that sort of stuff. Ideally, I would like to get around 20,000 views a month, and hopefully I could earn a little bit more than the £41 going forward. But as I say, this is only the beginning, so hopefully it does go up. And yeah, I'll do a 6 months check-in so you can see how much I've earned for the first 6 months, and I'll go through month by month how much I've earned and how much it's grown and all of that sort of stuff. And then I will probably do a 2021 1-year analysis of how much I've earned in a year from YouTube. Obviously, I'm still quite a small YouTube at the moment with only 2,302 subscribers, which I'm really happy that I've actually got to this point. So thank you everyone that's subscribed. I really do appreciate it. But yeah, for now, that's everything. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to click that beautiful red subscribe button down below. Please also check out my Etsy shop where you can buy cards and vectors to help support you in your everyday design life, and it really helps support this channel. Otherwise, I'll see you here every Monday and Thursday with a brand new video. Alright, okay, thanks for watching. Alright, bye. Tra tra tra. Bye.